that people are actually watching my videos shows that you guys like my content way more than I anticipated. So, yay, I guess? Oh, if you guys don't remember what happened last episode because it was a week ago and I know, my videos are very forgettable, so, what basically happened was we found a village and we took stuff and my, computer, or my recording software, not my computer, really bad sound quality, so everything ended up being like 6 seconds off, which is really weird. So, I'm trying to fix that. Hopefully, I will have fixed it by the time you guys are watching this, but, no guarantees. Um, but yeah, let's just jump right into it. What should we do? What do we not need? I guess we don't really need this, but we definitely need all these iron nuggets, these iron chicken nuggets that we get from McDonald's, right, guys? What am I saying? I'm a vegetarian. But you guys don't need to know that, right? You're not gonna hate me anymore because I'm a vegetarian, right, guys? Right? Yeah, I knew it. I knew you guys would understand. I don't even know why I'm getting this cobblestone. I just want it. But would you look at that? Um, what should we do? Maybe we can check see if there's anything under here, because, you know, sometimes it's stuff we can find under here. Let's go. Come on. Oh, here we go. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Let's get these arrows. God damn it. They're feathers. No, we don't fucking need the feathers. Oh, oops. Sorry about that. I said the bad word. You guys don't need to. You guys can forget you heard that. That never happened. That was just me saying stuff. I'll put something in the swear jar, okay? Okay, let's see. What should I put in the swear jar? I'll put 1 gold nugget into the swear jar. The C is the swear jar, by the way. You guys have already guessed that, but that's beside the point. Alright, let's get out of here. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, move faster, boy. See what this is map, what's the importance? Oh dude, it's a buried treasure map. Just exactly what we need. X marks the spot, boys. First though, we should make a bed and go to sleep because I really don't want to fight monsters, because monsters are really, really annoying. I think you guys understand, right? Because everybody finds monsters annoying. Well, I guess not all monsters. I mean, you know. The zombies I can deal with, it's just the skeletons who are annoying and I don't like at all. Like, they can just go, like, they can just go away and not talk to me ever because they're not cool at all. Alright, let's go to bed. Sleep. Alright, I'm awake. Let's get this, and we're gonna get this. Takes a really long time, but alright, we need to get rid of something. Let's just get rid of all these spruce saplings. I'm literally never gonna use those for anything. So I miraculously do use them for something, which probably will never happen. Let's head to this buried treasure, I guess. Guess we're going the right way. Now, let's see, we gotta find the buried treasure. Maybe we'll kill some fish, because maybe we won't kill fish, we'll see. Right, if there's buried treasure right here, that means that here, you know what, I should probably make a shovel, because shovels are very important. Yes, it's like that. I haven't forgotten everything, guys. I know. Crazy. Alright, so if the buried treasure is right here, buried treasure. Unless I'm just really stupid, but you know what? I'm not stupid, I'm very smart. Just kidding. I guess I'm like both smart and stupid. Oh, and I still have this bell, which I'm probably not gonna need for anything, but that doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, right here, X marks spot. Now I might just be being really stupid and digging out something I don't need to dig out at all. And if so, you guys can laugh at me and tell me that I'm doing something wrong. Like I said, I'm kind of out of practice with this game, so I don't really remember everything you're supposed to do. Yeah, feel free to, like, you know, comment, like, hey dude, you suck at Minecraft. This is how you're really supposed to do it. And I'd be like, okay, thank you. I mean, you know, I wouldn't appreciate the harsh words because, you know, it's not always the nicest thing to say, but, like, you know, I understand. And it can get triggering if somebody's acting really bad in the game. We're making literally no progress. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh man. That Oh, there it is. Would you look at that? I was kinda right, I guess. What's in here? Dude, diamonds? No way, dude! I'm sorry. That was not cool. I'll never do that again. What can we get rid of? Why do I need this wooden sword? Am I actually stupid? Let's get all this iron. We should get all this gold too. This gold's important. And we have TNT. What can we use the TNT for? Probably can't use the TNT for anything, but that's alright. We're gonna get all this cooked fish because we like cooked fish. Heart of the sea, alright. I was doing it right, guys, this whole time. Are you guys proud of me? What am I talking about? Of course you guys aren't proud of me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry that I have failed you all. I don't even need this. I'll take the heart of the sea. We'll replace that with our normal cobblestone. Dude, we made an achievement. Diamonds. Even though we didn't really mine them, we kind of cheated to get them, but who cares? Last I checked, we weren't. I don't like that noise. Alright. What was I doing? Oh, actually, I mean, we're not doing anything. Let's see. I'm guessing that's all the buried treasure, huh? So, this is what I got to say. This map officially sucks. Goodbye. Hope I never see you again. Like I said, guys, I'm sorry if the audio's off. I will try to fix it, but you know, if it's something to do with like the recording, maybe I need to do some certain thing. I definitely really don't want to re-record this. I mean, I think you guys understand. Like, I don't want to have to explain everything that happened because some cool stuff has happened, right, guys? Yeah, I think you'll think. I think you'll think this is pretty cool. Let's get. Bam, bam, bam. Bah. I like you, sheep. Goodbye. I'm not gonna hurt you. Let's go. Alright, so, I don't really have any plans for, you know, doing anything, except I guess we'll kill the Ender Dragon and be exactly like PewDiePie. But that's okay, right, guys? I mean, we gotta kill the Ender Dragon sometimes. And it's not even strictly PewDiePie, you know, it's just a thing that people do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm cringe. That's like a common trait with, like, people my age. Just, like, teenagers in general are just, like, cringe. Like, you know, like, I bet when I'm, like, 20, 30 years old, so I'll look back on these days and I'll just, like, cringe really badly. Maybe I'll even have a heart attack from cringe, but that would be pretty sad, I think. I mean, I definitely don't want to have a heart attack from cringe. But I shouldn't joke about heart attacks, that's not okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry if I said something that was kind of bad. But you know what? We all make mistakes, so it's alright. Just as long as no media source comes and attacks me. Rising YouTube star bad mouths heart attack, and I just made that. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. Hello, Fox. Hey, Fox. Fox, do you want a berry? Hello, Fox. You want a berry? Want a berry? Want a berry? Want a berry? Come on, Fox. Berry. Come on, Fox. Come on. Oh, dang it. You know what? It's alright. Come on. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna get a fox right now. We're gonna get a fox later. I'm not even sure that's how you tame a fox. But does that really matter? I don't think so. Alright. Let us continue. I'm sorry. Why did I talk like that at all? Alright, so maybe we'll set up some shelter somewhere. Like, you know, just like a simple house. Like, we don't need anything special. I don't plan on living here forever. I just need a shack that I can sleep in. Because sleep is good. Alright, let's just start building the shack right around here. Maybe it'll just even be like normal and just make a normal 4x4 house or a 6x6 house or whatever the hell. Dude, I'm sorry. I just realized I said hell, so you know what that means. Time to get rid of this nugget. Bye, nugget. Where'd it even go? What the hell? Oh my god, I said it again. Dang it. Alright, what do I gotta get rid of this time? Get rid of one. iron ingot. What is that noise? Alright guys, so the swear ocean jar thingy-mabobber is now at 3, and it's gonna stay like that for a while. Oh, there's the nugget. I'm just blind. That makes sense. I mean, I don't go outside whatsoever because I'm like a vampire, you know? I can't go outside because if I went outside and be like, yeah! Like that, and I just die. And, you know, I don't want to die. Nobody wants to die, what am I saying? Alright, we're gonna build a small house right here down by the seaside. Let's go. Okay, we're just gonna do this. That's gonna be what we're gonna use for the moment, and we're just gonna, you know, I'm not even gonna make the ground look nice. We're just gonna go like this. Oh god, we're not gonna go like that. We're gonna go like this. And we're gonna go like this. Are we gonna go like this though? Yeah, we are. Damn it. Oh my god, I said damn it. Are you kidding me? You know what? I'm sorry. I know I gotta be a family-friendly Minecraft Let's Player, so that means we gotta get rid of another thing. So we're gonna get rid of iron ingots this time. More iron ingots. Feel really sad getting rid of these iron ingots because they're nice. And you know what? We're gonna get rid of this wooden shovel so I can like do that because I don't even need a wooden shovel. Goodbye, iron ingot. Alright, let's see. We're at 4 now. 4. Keep going. We're never gonna stop because the swear ocean jar thingy-mabobber thing is very, very important. It's more important than this entire Let's Play. So that's definitely saying something, right, guys? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna make this the top of the house, and it's gonna be pretty epic, I think. I hope it is. I mean, if it's not epic, then like I've wasted all these resources for nothing. And what am I kidding? I'm already wasting these resources. But you know what? Nobody cares. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's not like it's real life. It's not like it's real life, and I'm cutting down wood to build worthless stuff. Oh, dude, there's my shovel. How to get all the way over there? I guess it's just floating in like the non-flowing water. That doesn't really matter. Oh no, the sun's setting. That's not good. Oh, you know what? It's fine actually because this will not take very long. Let's go. I might just be a loser and just leave this tree standing because I'm way too lazy to cut it down, but I might not. Let's see. I don't like that. We're gonna get rid of that. Okay, there we go. Now this thing can fall down in peace. I hope. I'll just stand there. Alright. Let us go to bed. Because I don't want to be killed by any monsters. Alright. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let's just go to sleep. Night, night. We can see the sun as we're sleeping. It's morning. Yay. What should we do? Alright, I got an idea. You know what? I like this idea. Maybe it'll look really bad and I might change it, but what am I even talking about? I'm not even going to stay here that long. This is just temporary, just like everything in life is. Because everything in life always changes. There's nothing we can do about it. Hashtag deep moments from this channel. And as you can see, this music fits very well with my talking, my lecture on life. But that doesn't matter. In fact, I don't think this music is even trying to do that. I think it's just it's just fitting with the game. Because, that makes sense. Dude, this music makes me sad. Now I gotta make a sad moment. I was really sad when Gerald died, you know. Gerald was a good snowman. If Gerald would have seen this, he would have been happy. He would have been happy for my accomplishments. He would have sorry, Gerald. I'm sorry that I had to leave you. To die. I left you. You had no help. I couldn't do anything about it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry it had to happen to you, my friend. I'm sorry it had to happen to you. I'm sorry. I built this house in Gerald's honor. Gerald, my non-existent snowman. I think about you every day, buddy. Every single day. Every single goddamn day I think about you. I don't care if I just cursed. I'll do whatever I can to make you proud, Gerald. Because you're all that I ever had, and all I will ever have, except my non-existent fan base. Gerald, sorry. This is the home of Gerald. Gerald, snowman. Gerald, a great man. Not just any snowman. He was the best snowman. The best snowman a kid could ever have. But he's gone. I need to think about that. I need to think about the fact Gerald's gone. I'm gonna miss you, Gerald. What am I kidding? I already miss you. I'm already repeating lots of stuff I've already said. But it's because I love you. I love you so much. I wish you didn't have to go so soon. Sorry. And that's the end of that sad moment. Anyways, back to the normal gameplay. We're gonna mine this stone. That's gonna look really cringy, I bet, when like the sound's off. But it's alright. If the sound's off, I should say. Hopefully the sound's not off, because that, like I said, would be incredibly cringy. Let's see, what we want to get all this stone, because we're going to make a furnace so I can smelt some sand and make some windows. And then after that we'll go on a little mining expedition. That's right, I said expedition, because I'm fancy like that. Yeah, I'm very, very fancy, in fact. But anyways, that's beside the point. Also, anyone who is like, you know, knows me personally, please don't show this to my teachers at school, because they will probably make me like delete all my videos because my videos are inappropriate. I mean, remember what happened to Super Minecraft Kid? If anyone remembers Super Minecraft Kid, well, you remember how his parents like grounded him because he had a bad channel where he swore a lot and said bad words. Well, I don't want that to happen to me, guys, you know, because my parents, whew, they'll get really mad at me, man. They'll ground me for my entire life, because I know I've already said too many curse words, and that's not good. Anyways, once we finish this house, which hopefully will happen soon, then we'll go and kill some creatures. Not just any creatures, don't worry. We're not going to go slaughtering animals, because that's not the Jedi way, as the Jedi would say. Hey, that kind of rhymes. I mean, what am I saying? It does rhyme. That's not the Jedi way, as the Jedi would say. I mean, 'cause that is what they'd say. Come on. I need this glass. This glass for my flask. What the hell? That doesn't even make any sense. What am I doing? It's all Gerald's fault. It's all because of Gerald. Gerald's making me go crazy. Why, Gerald? Why? What'd I ever do to you? Anyways, nobody even cares about Gerald, except me. I mean, I care about Gerald, but you guys are like, who the hell is Gerald? Oh, dang it, I swore again. I'm sorry, guys. You know what? This time, we're gonna get rid of a lapis. Let's go. There we go. Ah, darn flies on my arms. You guys can't see that, but there are tons of flies everywhere, because we have like a fly-infested room. kind of bad, but it's alright, you know, it's alright. It's alright. But yeah, this is gonna be our house. Anyways, was I saying something? I can't even remember. I'm going crazy, aren't I? Of course I am. I've already gone crazy. That's why I'm making these videos, because I've gone crazy. Oh my god, these flies are so annoying. I think I'm gonna do a slight redecoration. We're gonna do this instead. There. And then we're gonna do this. There we go. And now all we need to do is make a door, and then that's good. Let's see. See if I can remember how to make a door. Oh, there. Smart. Again, I know I'm repeating myself, but like I said, the audio is off. I'm really sorry. If you dislike the video, go ahead. Because I know it's bad. It's bad, but it's alright. Why am I making so much? I gotta stop making all this glass. Oh my god, stupid flies! They're everywhere. Let's see, what can I make? Let's see, what if we go like that? Maybe I can make like a cool glass. Maybe I can make a glass door. Like imagine that, like a door's made of glass, and if it fell on you, you die because you get glass stuck in your head. That is really stupid. I'm sorry, guys. That is like one of the dumbest things I've ever said. I shouldn't say it's the dumbest, because that's stretching it. I think the dumbest thing I've ever said even was the dumbest thing I ever said. It was, I think the dumbest thing I've said yet was, I can't think of the dumbest thing I've said. That's because I'm that dumb. Haha, that's a funny joke. It's a very funny joke, guys. I know you're laughing. You're laughing very, very hard. I'm happy that you're laughing. I like making people laugh. Let's see, what should I make? Oh, I can just make... Oh my god. I have so much stuff. I don't need this sand. You know, I don't need this sugar cane. I don't need this stick. I don't need this empty map. I should probably keep that massive cobblestone. I don't need these brown mushrooms. I'll keep the cobblestone. And I don't need this glass. Why do I even have all that glass? Goodbye. Hope I never see that glass again. Makes me sick. Oh my god, these flies. They're so annoying. I'm sorry, guys. I probably sound like I'm like going crazy, which I probably am. I mean, have you seen my videos? Yeah, another funny joke. Good job. Oh my god. I swear to god. These flies are trying to ruin my videos. Guys, I'm sorry. Stupid flies. Nobody likes you. You know what? Let's be extra fancy and make a sign. If I can even remember how to make a sign. Oh, I don't have enough wood, so screw it. We're gonna do that right now because I have too much materials, and we're just gonna cut down one last tree, guys. I know it's harmful for the environment, but I gotta live, guys. I gotta live. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. You've watched like a video of me like almost doing nothing besides building this house. I mean, I guess you saw me give a rant about why I'm sad that my best friend Gerald the snowman is dead, but I mean, I don't think you guys came here to see me talk about my non-existent friend Gerald. So yeah, that's about it. Let's see. What do we? Well, oh yeah, we're making a sign. Sign, yes, a sign. A very beautiful sign, for that matter. Let's see. This has got to be it. Come on. Yes, I knew it. All right. Call this. What should we call this? Home of in memory. No, not in memory of Gerald. That's stupid. How about please don't hurt me, monsters. There we go. Please don't hurt me, monsters. Please don't hurt me, monsters. Oh my god, these flies are really annoying. Alright, just go to sleep. Sleep. Boo. Alright, you know what? It's time to get down to business. We're actually gonna do something now. We're gonna go... What are we gonna go do? We're gonna go get something important. You know, I probably should, like, make a chest to store my stuff, but you know what? I'm not gonna. So if I lose my stuff, it's my fault. Not saying it's anyone else's fault, but at least, I will have tried. Alright, that's it. We're gonna go do this. I don't even know where a cave is. We're just gonna try not to venture too far away because, you know, we shouldn't, like, venture too far away, or that would be bad. Let's get these eggs. Oh god. After all this time, if I can't find a cave, then this whole video is going to be, like, pointless. Because, I mean, the whole point is just to find a cave. Ow. Okay, there's my house. Hey, my house is kind of beautiful. Not gonna lie. Well, that sounds very self-centered. Why did I say that? No, it's not self-centered, idiot. You're just saying that you think your house looks good. That's not bad. It's not like I'm like, my house is better than everyone else's house. I'm just saying it looks good. That's not self-centered. God, I'm actually stupid, guys. I'm sorry. Like, stupider than anyone on the planet. And that's okay. As long as I can enjoy life, that's all that matters. I'm the stupidest guy in the world, and if I enjoy life, then, you know, that's alright. You know. I'm sorry. Yet more fails to be funny. Okay, we're gonna check out that little thing over there. Well, there's nothing here. Let's see if there's something. Maybe if I go under. No, we are having zero luck, guys. I'm sorry. We're gonna go check out that mountain, because that mountain's probably gonna have something, and hopefully not die. What am I kidding? We won't die. We have food. We have good weapons, and we're gonna live. I know we're running out of coal in the world, but this is alright. I'm fine getting coal. Here we go, guys. You know, it's funny, I bet, like, almost nobody... I mean, I know there are a couple people watching my videos, a couple people I know. I mean, they're actually... Some of them are my friends, so I'm not sure. I mean, I guess they do count. What am I saying? They're people, they count too, but, you know, like, it's different. Like, if I had a show, if I had, like, a concert, and only my friends came, you know, that'd be, like, not as, you know, exciting as if, like, you know, a bunch of people who I didn't know came. And the reason is because, like, I mean, you know, my friends, you know, they're trying to be nice guys, so I mean, they might even hate my content, but they're just watching because, you know, they want to be good people. Because, I mean, I would do it. I'd watch anyone's content, you know. I mean, they're my friend, you know. I'd be like, you know what, I'll check it out, you know. And maybe, like, I like it. Or maybe I don't like it, but, you know, I'm not going to openly say to them, your content's trash. Because, you know, that's not very nice. I've had, like, 6,000 rants in one video. I'm sorry. I know you guys hate me having rants. I know you guys hate me, like, doing anything, because I know videos are kind of, like I said before, it's literally just like another Minecraft Let's Play on YouTube. It's like nothing special. Like, if you just look up, you'll find, like, so many others. Like mine doesn't even matter. It literally does not matter. It's insignificant. See, I guess that's one thing where we're different than everybody else. The only thing is we criticize ourselves because I accept that I'm not that good. Or, you know, maybe I'm okay, but, you know, it's, like, different. It's like, I don't think that I'm, like, you know, super duper good. But some people might be like, oh, guys, we're doing great. I need to stop. Because I'm gonna do something that might be stupid or say something that I'll later regret, so we're just gonna stop right now. Anyways, we're gonna climb up here. Let's see if we can actually find something. Oh, dang it. Okay. Snow. Oh my god! That scared me so badly. The darn lag, actually. Is there gonna be literally nothing up here? Did I literally actually come up here? Well, great job wasting resources, Shadow. Everybody, please clap. Clap for me, for I have, made an accomplishment. I'm sorry, guys. I know I'm disappointing. And I mean, I don't blame you if you think I'm disappointing. It's like, I mean, who wouldn't be disappointed with my videos? Like I said, all I can hope is, like, my history teacher isn't watching this video, so he can't, you know, like, suspend me for doing something bad. You know, the only thing I don't want to do is be suspended for playing Minecraft on my YouTube channel that hasn't been active for 3 years until last week. Okay. Let's go, there's that one place, damn it. Ah, dang it, I just swore, again. Oh, diddly diddly ding dong, whatever Ned Flanders says in The Simpsons. There we go. Okay, now we can go find that place. By the end of this Let's Play, I'm going to have literally nothing valuable because I swore too much. Whether I said the D word, or the F word, or the S word, then, yeah. I'm gonna have a net worth of 0. Stupid flies. I swear to God, these flies are trying to corrupt my gameplay. Guys, they're trying to ruin, they're trying to, search Gerald's memory, I guess. Because we're gonna bring Gerald into this, guys, because I like Gerald. So I see, oh, hey wolf, I don't have any bones, but wait here, I might come back. Maybe I'll go mob hunting once I feel more confident in myself, because I'm not the best fighter in the world, as you kind of, I've kind of told you. But, you know, I can get better, I think. And I think that's good if I can get better. Okay, what's this? Okay, there is some iron. Got it. Okay, this is exactly what we needed. I guess it was just what I needed. What am I doing? Why am I singing that song? I did feel sad that, was it the singer of the Cars or whatever died recently, and that was kind of sad, you know. But their music lives on. They have good music. They have some songs. They had a song that was used in Cars 2. If any of you people who grew up watching the Cars series like I did remember, you know, it's like, you might think I'm crazy, or whatever. Oh, and hey, here's a skeleton. But I think that you're wild when you flash that fragile smile. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Do it. Come on, die. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. This is not my day. Get out of here. We're on the run, boys. We're on the run. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Alright, let's see. I'm talking about, guys. One skeleton. But after that, it just becomes too much. But we got a bow. Do we get any bones? Oh no. I couldn't collect the bones, could I? Because I have too much stuff. God damn it. Oh, dang it. I said it again, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. We don't really need this. I can't see why we need this. Let's eat some cod. Some Call of Duty. Because that's a funny joke. Okay, we're gonna wreck this scrubby skeleton whenever I can find him. Did he leave? Did you leave, skeleton? You coward. Darn coward. It's getting late, I just realized. I mean, I didn't think about this, but like, why didn't I bring a bed? Am I actually that stupid? What am I kidding? Of course I'm stupid. Alright, we're gonna be fine. It's all gonna be fine. Oh no, I'm lagging, aren't I? Yay! Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, we have 35 iron? Jesus! I didn't even realize that. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I shouldn't say the Lord's name in vain. But, wow. Dang, I didn't realize I had that much iron. If I had that much iron, I wouldn't even be here. What am I doing? Okay, well, now I'm really triggered at myself, but maybe, you know what, I gotta get out of here. I have all these torches. You know what, maybe I'll just try to see if I can do something. If I can't, then I'm gonna run. And I'm not. I hear the noise. I don't like that sound at all. Oh, shit. Oh, there you are. Again, oh god, wow. Oh, where the... Go away, skeleton. Really bad at this. Okay, we got that. Let's get out of here. Like I said, we're not gonna look back. Do we have anything like valuable besides like? Well. Guys, this is the climax of this episode. We'll see if I can get out of here. I have a bone, so I can try and tame a wolf when the time comes. Right, it's that time again, boys. Time to run. You know that song, Run Like Hell by Pink Floyd, guys? It's like, run like that. It's like it's a good song. I know you guys might be, dang it. But you guys might be too young to know who, well, you're not too young to know Pink Floyd. You're probably listen to Pink Floyd. That's it. That's exactly what I wanted to say. But it's alright. Oh dang, I wish I had arrows. And how many? Dang, I saw skeletons too. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can get their attention. Maybe I can like lure one. Hey, skeletons. Oh dang. I should have thought that through. Shouldn't I have? I can see a skeleton coming. Let's see if we can ambush him. Or if he can ambush us. Funny joke. Hey, skeleton. Hey, skeleton. Okay. You miss, boys. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Come on. I really want to get that stuff, so we're gonna go. Come on. Okay, we don't need a bow because we already have a bow. We have a bone. We have a bone. That's good. That's all I need. That's exactly what I need. Alright, alright. Oh no. That guy's just mad because I killed his comrade, but it's okay. Hey, he tried to attack me. It wasn't the other way around. Come on, dog. Please, please, dog. Please. Please. God damn it. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. Hey, I have one arrow, so I can... Hey, zombie. You suck. That's a noise I definitely don't want to hear. It's gonna give me nightmares. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh. Oh no, 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 no. What have I done? Move, move, move. Oh god. Oh my god, he really wants revenge now, doesn't he? I'm vulnerable in the night. I can hear the noise. I can hear it. I'm legit so scared. My heart is pounding. I haven't felt this much pounding in my heart in Minecraft for so long. It's kind of a good feeling, actually. Makes me feel like I'm back in the action, you get me? We've got to find some way back to our place. Come on. We gotta move. Alright, that's the place we were just on. We just gotta move. We gotta really, really run. Spiders. Zombies. Leave me alone. Oh no, 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 no. Stupid. Gosh darn. Spiders, I hate you. Hate creepers too. Come on, let's get going. Come on, come on. This is gonna be like a 40-minute video by the time I'm done, but it's alright. It's alright. Oh my god, flies. Leave me alone, flies. Alright, alright. I know what we gotta do. I know what we gotta do. I know what we gotta do. We gotta hide. We gotta find some place. We gotta hide. Gotta hide and not look back. I'm gonna go to the top of that mountain. You're out in the open. There's a creeper. Oh my god, fly. Alright, good. We got this. Oh no. Okay, run. Run. Where am I even going? I need to head to the top of the mountain. Right now. Right. Right now, damn it. Sorry guys, I had to say the word. Leave me alone. Please. Go away. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I thought, oh. Dead yet. But you're not dead either. It's one or two of us. Worked. Right. Gotta hide. Guys. This is gonna have to end right here. The moon's coming down. Soon I'll be safe. We have to get back. I gotta run. Gotta run.